Sorry. Namaste to all. On behalf of Saptami Foundation, I welcome you all to the 22nd episode of Value the World. I'm Devika Rajan, who would be sailing as co-anchor along with Mr. Srikanji for the program today. We have wonderful 7 artists lined up for today. I humbly request all the viewers and audience to mute their audios, except the performers. So today the first performer is Ms. Katyayani Rangarajan, who would be presenting a vocal performance. Welcome, Katyayani.
Namaste. I want to thank Shrikant ji and Saptami Foundation for giving me this opportunity to sing. The song I'm going to be singing is called Rama Nipe, which is Ragam Kedaram, Adi Talam, and the composer is Tyagaraja. Rama ni pai tanapu Rama ni pai tanapu Rama ni pai tanapu Rama ni pai tanaku Rama ni pai tanaku prema bodu O Sita Rama ni pai tanaku prema bodu O Sita Rama ni pai tanaku Tamara Sanayana Tamara Sanayana Tamara Sanayana Tamara Sanayana Nide Emo Maya Ganino Tamara Sanayana Nide Emo Maya Ganino Rama ni pai tanaku prema bodu O Sita Rama ni pai bagulandu baguga butti yandu poganu pava bulandu baguga butti yandu Tyagarajuनि Hritaya Tyagarajuनि Hritaya Tyagarajuनि Hritaya Tyagarajuनि Hritaya Mandu Vagisha Nanda Mandu Tyagara Juni Hridaya Mandu Vagisha Nanda Mandu Rama Pai Tanaku Prema bodu Sita Rama Nipai Tanapu. And the next song I'm going to be singing is a Rama bhajan called Ramachandra Prabhu. Ramachandra Prabhu Raghuvamsa Rama Ramachandra Prabhu Raghuvamsa Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Kausalya Rama Sugunabhirama Ravana Samhara Kodanda Rama Ayodhya Rama Pattabhirama Nava Nava Komala Kalyana Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Ramachandra Prabhu Raghuvamsa Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Rama Rama. I want to thank my Guru Devika Aunty.
Wonderful performance, Katyayani, on Ragam Kedaram, where Tyagaraja says, even when he enjoys worldly pleasures, his heart always brims with Rama's bliss. And you have sung a beautiful bhajan on Rag Tilam too as well, describing Rama's beauty as Kalyana Rama, Kodanda Rama, and Pattabhi Rama. Thank you. The second artist and performer of today is Srimati Preeti Satya Narayanan on dance performance on Andal Kautuvam.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Namaskaram to all. Thank you, Saptami Foundation, for giving this opportunity. Today I will be performing Sri Villiputtu Sri Andal Kautuvam, Malayapallam Ragam, Chaturthi Eda Thalam, Gangai Muthu Nayanar composition.
ಕದಿಮೆ ದಿಮೆ ತರಿಕಿಟ ಜಣ್ಣು வில்லினக திகழ் விண்டு சித்தர் மகளாக வந்து திருவாடி பூர நாள் வில்லினக திகழ் விண்டு சித்தர் மகளாக வந்து திருவாடி பூர நாள் வில்லினக திகழ் விண்டு சித்தர் மகளாக வந்து திருவாடி பூர நாள் தித்தா 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 கிடந்தகி துளசி வனம் தனிலே 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 ஜம் ஜம் தத்தண கணம் தரித்தை திக்கு தக்க தொம் கிடத்தகி தொம் கிடத்தகி தொம் கிட தொம் தொம் கிடத்தகி தொண கிட கிடத்தகி சுக்கிரவாரம் அவதாரம் ஆகிய ஜம் ஜம் தத்தண கணம் தரித்தை திக்கு தக்க தொம் கிடத்தகி தொம் கிடத்தகி தொம் கிட தொம் தொம் கிடத்தகி தொண கிட கிடத்தகி சுக்கிரவாரம் அவதாரம் ஆகிய ஜக்க கிண்ண ஜக்க தக்கிடத்தகி திக்கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி சங்கம் ஏந்தியே திக்கிடத்தகி திதிக்கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி தீரி அணிந்தவ ஜக்க கிண்ண ஜக்க தக்கிடத்தகி திக்கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி சங்கம் ஏந்தியே திக்கிடத்தகி திதிக்கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி தீரி அணிந்தவர் தொணக்கிடத்தகி தொணக்கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி ஜோதி ஞானம நம் கிடத்தகி தன கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி நாமம் எனக்கு சூடி கொடுத்த தாகித்த கிணனக கிணனக ஜம் ஜம் பூமகளாகிய போதை கவுதுவம் தொம் கிடத்தகி தொண கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி ஜோதி ஞான மருணம் கிடத்தகி தன கிடத்தகி கிடத்தகி நாமம் ஆயிரம் வடபத்ர சயனக்கு சூடி கொடுத்த தாகித்த கிணனக கிணனக ஜம் ஜம் மகளாகிய கோதை கவுதுவம் தரி 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 குந்தரி தரி தரி குந்தரி கிணகிணதாம் கிணகிணதை தரி 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 தந்தம் தரி தரி குந்தரி கிணகிணதாம் கிணகிணதை தரி 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 குந்தரி குந்தரி தரி தரி குந்தரி கிணகிணதாம் கிணகிணதை தரி 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 குந்தரி தரி தரி குந்தரி கிணகிணதா கிணகிணதை குதி கொத கேட தொம் கிட கிடத கிட தங்கி கிடதகதி கேதா த த தா த த ரா
Beautiful dance on Andal Kautvam by Preeti Satyanarayanan and Ragam Malay Marudam. It was wonderful. Thank you. The next artist is Rati Priya and Rasika Priya Krishna. Both their names have Raga names. We welcome both of you to do your vocal performance.
Thank you to Saptami for providing us this opportunity to sing. Makeladra vicharam
మాకేలరా విచారము మాకేలరా విచారము మాకేలరా విచారము మాకేలరా విచారము మాకేలరా విచారము మాకేలరా విచారము మరుకన్న శ్రీ రామచంద్ర మాకేలరా విచారము మరుకన్న శ్రీ రామచంద్ర మాకేలరా విచారము మరుకన్న శ్రీ రామచంద్ర మాకేలరా విచారము సాకేత రాజా సాకేత రాజా సాకేత రాజా సాకేత రాజా సాకేత రాజా సర్వకమందర శిఖర సర్వకమందర శిఖర మాకేలరా విచారము మరుకన్న శ్రీ రామచంద్ర మాకేలరా విచారము జత పూజిన తక సూత్రమును జత పూజిన తక సూత్రమును జట పూజిన తక సూత్రమును జగమెల్లమే జగకరమునని జట పూజినాటక సూత్రమును జగమెల్లమే జగకరమునని గతి తాపగా గతి తాపగా ఆదించేవు స్వామి గతి తాపగా ఆదించేవు స్వామి గతి తాపగా ఆదించేవు స్వామి గతి తాపగా ఆదించేవు స్వామి నత త్యాగరాజ గిరీశ వినూత నత త్యాగరాజ గిరీశ వినూత నత త్యాగరాజ గిరీశ వినూత నత త్యాగరాజ గిరీశ వినూత మాకేలరా విచారము మరుకన్న శ్రీ రామచంద్ర మాకేలరా విచారము
Very good performance, Ratipriya Rasikapriya and Ragam Ravichandrika, where Tyagaraja says, O Rama, Prince of Ayodhya, who is prayed by Lord Shiva also, why should we all worry when Rama is there to us as father? Thank you once again. We have the next performer, Ajay Thatte, to give his performance. Welcome, Mr. Ajay Thatte.
My name is Ajay Thatte. I am a student at UT Austin, and today I will be singing a semi-classical Hindustani song called Me Maza Harapuna, originally sung by Asha Bhosle and composed by Hridaynath Mangeshkar. Me maza harapuna basalega. Me maza harapuna basalega. Me maza harapuna basalega. Sakhi me maza harapuna basalega. Maza harapuna basalega. Me maza harapuna. आज पहाटे श्रीरंगाने आज पहाटे आज पहाटे श्रीरंगाने मजला पुरते लुटलेगा साखर झोपे मध्येच अलगद साखर झोपे मध्येच अलगद प्राजक्ता समाधिपले गामी मजहर पुनः त्या श्वासांनी दीपकणे गत त्या श्वासांनी दीपकणे गत पळभरणी थर थरले गा त्या स्पर्शाच्या हिंदोळाभर त्या स्पर्शाच्या हिंदोळाभर लाजत उमलत झुलने गामी मजहर पुन्हा त्यान भशामल मिठीत न कळत त्यान भशामल मिठीत न कळत बिजली समा लख लख देगा दिसना मग तो दिसना मग तो देवकी नंदन अनमी डोळे मिटले गा मजहर पुन मी मजहरपुना. Thank you.
Wonderful, melodious singing, and it was very divine. Shri Ajay Thatte, thank you so much for the wonderful performance. Next, we have Srimati Sujana Aduri to give her vocal performance.
Namaste everyone, and thank you Saptami Foundation and Shrikantji for giving me another opportunity to come here and present a Kriti. I'm going to present a Tyagaraja Kriti today, which is in Ragam Arabhi set to Aditalam. Chala Kallaladu Konna Saukyamemira. Chala kallaladu konna chala kallaladu konna chala kallaladu konna chala kallaladu konna chala లాడు కొన్న సౌఖ్యమేమి రా చాలా లాడు కొన్న సౌఖ్యమే మీరా చాలా కల్లలాడు కొన్న సౌఖ్యమేమిరా కాలము బోను మాట నిలుచును 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 కళ్యాణ రామా కళ్యాణ రామా నాతో చాలా కళ్ళలాడు కొన్న సౌఖ్యమే మీరా చాలా కళ్ళలాడు కొన్న సౌఖ్యమే మీరా తల్లి దండి నేనుండ తల్లి దండి నేనుండ తల్లి దండి నేనుండ కీన భయమేల रायनीत कीन भय मेल रायनी पलुमा रूनी विन्नो बासलु जेसी इललो सरीवारलो इललो सरीवारलो इललो सरीवारलो yang to bro chu chun ni పెద్దలతో బల్గి మే పించి పెద్దలతో బల్గి మే పించి త్యాగ రాజునితో కాలా లాడుకొన్న సౌఖ్యమే మీరా చాలా కల్లలాడుకొన్న సౌఖ్యమే మీరా Thank you so much.
Srujana's Arabi was very saukyam and it was very divine and melodious. Thank you, Srujana, once again for a very rarely heard Yogaraja Kriti. And that makes me reminded of Tyagaraja's Pancharatna Kriti in Arabi too. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Next, we have Srimati Madhushri Sethuraman rendering Ganesha Pancharatnam on dance. Welcome, Madhushri.
Thank you, Saptami Foundation and Shrikantji for giving me this opportunity to perform in this season. I'm going to be presenting Ganesha Pancharatnam because we had Vinayaka Chaturthi yesterday. So Ganesha Pancharatnam here for you.
Takkitta, dikkitta, tom kitta, nam kitta.
अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकं मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम्
Takkitta, kitta, tom kitta, kitta, dhalang, kuttaka, dhalang, kuttaka, dhading, kitta, gadditta, kanaka, jam, terida. Takundari, kitta, taka, taka, ditta, kanaka, jam, teridai. Takundari, kitta, taka, taka, ditta, kanaka, jam, terida. Ditta, kanaka, jam, terida, ditta, raka, ditta, tadding, ginnathom, tadditta, kanaka, jam, terida, ditta, kanaka, jam, terida, ditta, rakadiku, kurtaka, darvidom, 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 rakadiku, kurtaka, darvidom.
नतेतरातिभीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरं नताधिकापद शङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरेभ वक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरेभ वक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् नमस्करोमि भास्वरम्
கிட்ட கிட்டதும் கிட்ட கிட்டதளாங் கொத்தக்க தத்தீங்கிண்ணத்தோம் தத்தித்த கணகஜம் தெரிதா தக்குந்தரி கிட்ட தக தக தித்த கணகஜம் தெரிதை தக்குந்தரி கிட்ட தக தத்தித்த கணகஜம் தெரி தக தித்த கணகஜம் தெரிதாம் ததக ஜணு ததீம் ததக ஜணு தக ததி கிட்டத்தோம் தத்தித்த கணகஜம் தெரி தக தித்த கணகஜம் தெரிதாம் ததக ஜணு ததீம் ததக ஜணு தக ததி கிட்டத்தோம் தத்தீங்கிண்ணத்தோம் 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 தத்தீங்கிண்ணத்தோம்
अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिदन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वसर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयातिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वसर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयातिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् भजे पुराणवारणं श्रीमणि सनि सनि पा पनि पम पनि नि स नि पनि मा पम पनि सरि सरि नि स पनि म परि मरि स नि रि समाधि प पनि पनि स नि स नि स सनि रि स नि पनि स नि नि प रि प पनि प प प पनि रि दन्तकान्ति मन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपं मन्तकेन मन्तराय कृन्दनं कृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योनिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि
It was a beautiful and wonderful treat to the eyes on Ganesha Pancharatnam, with beautiful attire and background, big pulayar, and with wonderful jatis and swarams and different ragas. Thank you, Madhushri. Thank you for your wonderful performance. The next we have Srimati Vidyaram on Okal. She'll be rendering Totashtakam in praise of Adi Shankaracharya. Welcome, Vidyaramji.
Thank you to this great team for organizing this ongoing program for us to share our prayers through music. Today I will be presenting the Totakashtakam, the composition by Sri Totakacharya in praise of his guru, Sri Adi Shankaracharya. I will be accompanied on tabla by my son, Vivek Ram. गुरुर्नाम्ना महिम्ना च शंकरो विराजते गुरुर्नाम्ना महिम्ना च शंकरो यो विराजते तदीयाङ्घ्रिगलद्रेणुकणायास्तु मनो मम विदिताखिलशास्त्रसुधा जलधे महितोपनिषत् कथितार्थनिधे विदिताखिलशास्त्रसुधा जलधे महितोपनिषत् कथितार्थनिधे हृदये कलये विमलं चरणं भव शङ्कर देशिक मे शरणं करुणावरुणालय पालय मां भवसागर दुःखविदूरहृदं करुणावरुणालय पालय मां भवसागर दुःखविदूरहृदं रचयाखिल दर्शन तत्त्वविदं भव शङ्कर देशिक मे शरणं भवता जनता सुविता भविता निजबोध विचारण चारुमते भवता जनता सुविता भविता निजबोध विचारण चारुमते कलयेश्वर जीव विवेक विदं भव शङ्कर देशिक मे शरणं भव एव भवान् इति मे नितरां समजायत चेतसि कौतुकिता भव एव भवान् इति मे नितरां समजायत चेतसि कौतुकिता मम वारय मोह महाजलधिं भव शङ्कर देशिक मे शरणं सुकृते धिकृते बहुधा भवतो भविता समदर्शन लालसता सुकृते धिकृते बहुधा भवतो भविता समदर्शन लालसता अतिदीनमिमं परिपालय मां भव शङ्कर देशिक मे शरणं जगतीमवितुं कलिकाकृतयो विचरन्ति महामहसश्चलतः जगतीमवितुं कलिकाकृतयो विचरन्ति महामहसश्चलतः महिमां शुरिमात्र विभासि गुरो भव शङ्कर देशिक मे पुङ्गव पुङ्गव केतनते समतामयतां नहि कोऽपि सुधीः गुरु पुङ्गव पुङ्गव केतनते समतामयतां नहि कोऽपि सुधीः शरणागत वत्सल तत्त्वनिधे भव शङ्कर देशिक मे शरणं विदितानमया विशदैककला न च किञ्चन काञ्चनमस्ति गुरो विदितानमया विशदैककला न च किञ्चन काञ्चनमस्ति गुरो धृतमेव विधेहि कृपां सहजां भव शङ्कर देशिक मे शरणं धृतमेव विधेहि कृपां सहजां भव शङ्कर देशिक शरणं भव शङ्कर देशिकमे शरणं भव शङ्कर देशिकमे शरणं.
What a fitting finale as a performance by Vidyaram Todashtakam praising Adi Shankaracharya. The perfect fit for the end of the program by 7 artists. All the 7 of them performed wonderfully well. And I thank Mr. Shrikantji for giving me an opportunity to be a co-anchor of this evening. And I hand over to Shrikantji. Thank you.
Namaskaram. Thank you, Devika ji, for doing such a wonderful anchoring today, narrating each performance wonderfully. Let me take a minute to ponder upon the last song, very impressive song depicting the Guru Bhakti and Guru Kataksham. Just about 1200 years back, in the year 788 Common Era, for an elderly couple in Kaladi in Kerala, little boy was born, and he lost his father when he was very young. So his mother was very possessive of him. Right from the childhood, he was a little different. He wasn't going out and playing, and he was always in meditation. Once his mother told this boy to go to the backyard and pluck some flowers for puja. And so this boy is taking the basket and going to the backyard and plucking the flowers. As he's plucking the flowers, he's counting, taking the first flower and putting in the basket, saying, Ekam, in Sanskrit 1. Then second flower is plucking and putting in the basket, says Ekam. So every flower he says Ekam. So his mother, Aryamba, listening to this and coming and asking, hey Shankara, what is going on? Don't you know math, counting? Why do you say 1, 1, 1? It should be 1, 2, 3. Then this little boy is saying that, no ma, I'm only seeing one thing. Whatever I see around me, everywhere in the world, only one thing. I can't move to the second thing. And later on, we will come to realize that this Advaitam philosophy is everything is one. Now, when he went with his mother to a river, a crocodile caught him. So mother is crying. So this boy is asking, mother, if you want me to be alive, you have to give me permission to become a sannyasi. Then she grants him. So the crocodile leaves him. So he gets a Punarjanmam, he becomes a sannyasi, very young sannyasi. And then he goes around and he promises his mother, during your final days, you think about me, I will come and see you. So he leaves and goes around and forms everywhere, various compositions, he composes everything around. Finally, mother is in the deathbed, she's thinking of him, immediately he showed up. And then he prayed to Sriman Narayana, and literally his mother Aryamba could get the darshan of Sriman Narayana in Vaikuntha Seva. And so she attained moksham. He is trying to do the final rites of the mother, being a sannyasi in his neighboring village. He is from Nambudiri family. This a sannyasi cannot do final rites. They refused to help him out. So he literally had to carry the mother alone and put in a banana leaf, and he prayed to Agni Bhagavan to give the Agni for the final rites. And then that is how he finishes the final rites. During his services in Sringeri, one disciple whom he met, his name is Giri, Anandagiri. He was very devoted to Adi Shankara. He liked him so much. Instead of learning from Adi Shankara the Vedic scriptures and everything, he was doing service to Adi Shankara. He used to take his clothes and go and wash and bring it back and keeps his place very neat and clean. So Adi Shankara, we used to like him a lot. But his other classmates used to literally kind of, tease him. And so, knowing that, what Adi Shankara did was, through his, one day when he was, the Giri was going to wash his clothes, he was about to start his lectures and Giri was not showing up. And then he was teased by all the other classmates, friends. Then Adi Shankara, through his own meditation, instantaneously he gave the jnanam to Giri. And while he was coming, extempore, he composed and sang this last song Vidyaji sang, Tottakashtakam. Actually, the name Tottakashtakam came because the rhyme he's set to the metering called Totaka. Is actually 112, like short, long. So if you recall, the Venkatesh Suprabhadam, Kamala Kuchachu Chukakungumato Niyatarunita Tulanina. So if you look at the Kamala, short, long. So the same format, he composed this whole song of 8 stanzas, Ashtagam, in the short, long format. And that is why the Totaka Ashtagam came, and he became Totakacharya. The Giri became Totakacharya. So when Adi Shankara established 4 Shankara Mats, north, south, east, west, for the north Matam, Totakacharya was made as in charge of that. That is how the history of Totakashtakam and Totakacharya came about. With that note, let me request all of you to share your screen, please, and speak up your comments. We would like to capture you all in the video. You can speak up your comments now if you want to. This is our opportunity.
Wonderful story of Adi Shankaracharya and Todakashtakam, and lot of performance, Rama's performance, and Tyagaraja Kritis. All the 7 artists did a wonderful job.
Yes.
Thank you, Srikanth, for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you very much. Thank you all for joining again another week of a successful event. And if you are a performer, please text the number given there on the screen, 747-777-3221. And
Thank you, Srikanth.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Srikanth. It was wonderful. And your explanation also was very good. Thank you.
As usual, we always look forward to the end explanations every week. And we learn something new every week, and we really look forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm also learning. Thank you. This is the namaskaram to all of you. Thank you.
Be nice. Thank you.
Thank you.